Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this BeautySay ABC electric blanket. Ooh, that looks special, or? Oh, it looks not only special, it is special because if there is a hot winter time out there and it's inside a little bit cold, you can have a nice time with this BeautySay ABC electric blanket. This is an oval blanket here. Fast heating blanket with 9 heat settings and 9 timer functions. We have an automatic shut-off function. It is machine washable. It's an heating throw for a sofa, for the bed. And in this case, you can see it in 180 to 130 centimeter. It's also on the market available with 200 to 180 centimeter. This keeps us cozy and warm in the winter time. This electric blanket is made of soft flannel and sherpa cashmere, which is thick and warm enough to keep us warm and cozy even on the coldest winter days. No more cold feet and knees on cool nights, so we can sleep better and well. This electric blanket here is a really cool thing for parents, adults, children, the elderlies, and even pets, and it helps them through the cold winter time. We have fast heating and non-heating settings. This heat-through blanket warms up quickly, so we will feel warm in a few minutes after switching it on. In addition, this electric blanket offers us 9 different heat settings, so we can set an either temperature base for our own heating needs with the included easy-to-use regulator. And on this device too, 9 hours timer and safety protection. The heated throw blanket is equipped with a programmable 9-hour timer function from 20 minutes up to 180 minutes. Once we set the time is reached, it automatically switched off to prevent overheating of the blanket and possible risk, so we can sleep peaceful all the night. This electric blanket is double RoHS-NCE certified, and we have 2 sizes to choose from. The electric blanket has 2 sizes, 180 to 130 or 2 to 180. So we can choose between a single and double use. No more trouble keeping our toes warm on chilly nights. Plus, there are plenty of room for 2 people to pick it up. This electric blanket is perfect for use on the couch, in the office, and in the bed. While we're watching TV on the sofa, we place the electric blanket on our shoulders or on our entire body, as you can see. And then we can enjoy the warmth without freezing. And it's machine washable. With the removable controller, we can easily machine wash this electric blanket with 40 degrees Celsius. This means that we can always enjoy the clean and the fresh electric blanket all winter long. We make sure that the controller is removed before washing, of course. This is a luxurious electric blanket with a comfortable touch and a feel, and it is night Christmas and a light winter time warm. This is the BeautySay ABC Super Warm Electric Blanket with 9 temperature levels, 9 time settings, fast heating, and even heat distribution. Overheat protection is on the go, of course, too, and it's perfect for muscle soreness. If it's getting cold out there, for the elderlies, for joint pain, for patient, and for Christmas time. Overheating warning, of course. We do not use the blanket stacked on the top of each other, and we do not wrap the controller inside the blanket while it used. We do not lie on the blanket, but then we can make an ideal and nice blanket time with this BeautySay ABC electric blanket set here. We have a controller, and the controller can be used easily, baby. That means we can push on the buttons on the controller to switch between the levels. That means we go to auto shut off settings, it's the upper button. Level 1 is 20 minutes, level 2 is 40 minutes, level 3 is 60 minutes, this is 1 hour. Level 4 is 80 minutes, level 5 is 100 minutes, level 6 is 120 minutes, this is up 2 hours. Level 7 is 140, level 8 is 160, and the good old 9 level is 180. These are 3 hours. That means there are 9 levels of automatic shut off system time. Then we have, of course, the other button, the temperature setting button. We can use the unit from 1 up to 9, and then we can reach the different needs of the warm function of it. We change the temperature settings to level 1 before falling asleep. It's best thing. Position 2 and 3 on the throws is indeed for heating up. Only position 1 is for continuous or operation. There, good. And of course, we can go to temperature settings like we are going to need it. And then we have a good time in the winter time with the BeautySay ABC electric blanket. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.